Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can merge elements in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and as you can see, I have two elements right here. I have sun and also flower, and I'm going to show you how we can merge these two elements. Okay, I'm going to move it right here, and then I'm going to make it smaller. Alright, and if we want to merge the elements, we need to select them like this, and we're going to make it as a group by clicking on this group option. Okay, and now the elements has been merged. As you can see guys, this is the final result. Now they become one element. Okay guys, and that's all the way to merge elements in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.